Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a really simple drinks recipe for an English garden cocktail. This is a super refreshing drink which is perfect to enjoy on a nice warm evening. Now, firstly, you'll need to take a cocktail shaker, then add 1 handful of ice cubes and 150 milliliters of apple juice. Next, add 50 milliliters of elderflower cordial, then measure out 100 milliliters of gin. Pour your gin into your cocktail shaker, then squeeze in the juice from half a lime. Now simply place the lid onto your cocktail shaker, then give it a good old shake. Next, line a couple of glasses with some cucumbers that have been sliced into ribbons, then pour your English garden cocktail into the glasses. Then simply enjoy straight away whilst they're still refreshingly cold, and there you have it. That's how to make these classic English garden cocktails which are perfect to enjoy with friends and family.